5 oto you abenya services 50 pesos na say o bit ma ton say so waton so enti na me ka say nipa ni go ho ma ye kan obi go ho no ma ba bi o sha o ye ni nsuo no o shitokro bi mu na o ye ni nsuo eno sa na ye hu e be report on Food and Drugs Authority so any dey for another conversation enti say yen say one ye nsuo ni ya ene ye hu a ye ni policy a bit much o ba ye be report on Food and Drugs Authority na omo no abechi no matter baby a you any experience for tun for them bia.
Oh, okay. Because idea ehuhia pa because iso na ewo dwaman so no as an association no aya mo track the supply
track bebre ebinu mo ho no mo ye track e Food and Drugs for you must treat them on kohe ha baby ho no ye suspect say because no mo register no mo register kura baby o use you nye omutimi koho we no matum na omu aya so mo standard no be register no moye ebi no timi ya mo standard ne pastor ebi so ho mo yetu mo nsori bi o no mo ko
say one say the ordinary Ghanaian na onam street no so say CI omo ope papa say munsuo no de anka agensu a omo pe a omo beto anom. But most of them are now switching to taking the bottled mineral water. Nkomono say, but to sachet water bino. Na nyama bi ne nemu nso na nkasa enhye da enye. Say no as an association ye bisa. E kwan ben so na mo take care. Mo ben sure say mo nsuo a ewo dwaman so no. Nsuo no nyina ye kama mayen.
Eno de na me ka ye nye police. Nye mo metima kan ni pin say asa. Senye sashi water ba system no mo ka asema sigana kenye ni padodo no asasi na yensu ase nyina aye fotofoto uji se senye sashi water uji se ka asema sigana
akasem besi de o
anko brand tano ne ka kan wa galam se ase yensu nyina no senye sashi water uji se nke da so ti ase na bottle water ni padodo se na no bottle water ni padodo se na no sashi water Ghana da ho no sashi water ni kura Ghana
sachet water na kura Ghana.
Sachet water any kura Ghana. Me na make a chiro. From so ni niema kitingiti e wo hu nyina e bit makani pay because it sachet water wo Ghana be a Food and Drugs Authority any standard Ghana Standard Authority and sachet e bia no e use machine e reverse osmosis machine no e efi efiri ensuom eyi pampan efiri ensuom eyi bacteria gel efiri ensuom even some senye ye ne kasa metals ne ne kan ho a egu ensuom ne kaye nyina ka ye fan reverse osmosis machine no ye no na obia so ye ensuo papa bia Food and Drugs for ensan sha ne Ghana Standard Authority bia e wo reverse osmosis machine ensu efemo no e pompi ensu a enye ni nyina tugu chensu no na edede eye no aba factory ho de enye bia na pompi ni nyina tugu senye reverse of machine no aza ke ye nyina ke ase
wow
no enti enye adwuma ketwa na ye no ho no ye adwuma ketwa na hu se ye no sa enye adwuma ketwa na ye enye reverse osmosis machines no a ye use na ukonness ya filter nsuo ne so hwe eniema ye dia ye fia ya twen firi mu a ba bo nsoma ma ye senya no na ka galamti nkum ye nyina
enti sa reverse osmosis machine no all the sachet water producers no obia o ye ne die papa me say I just Food and Drugs Authority and Ghana Standard Authority and San Shafi and I was maybe a tukuru and a bomb you know ye the enemy. But say near a association I and sachet Food and Drugs for Shafi obia use reverse osmosis machine and in near my do I film one sakura and a reverse osmosis machine mono and then name kuma insurance house on so indeed so who will be bi da ba ku bi anasi mu a enye sa na tie kura o ya so ne pa sana ohu de o se de senye no amese ke Ghana nka asema to ye enyi sisi ano obeka kire Ghana for say pipe nsu eni kwan se obi anom enam se mo so ni nsu no so anema mo hu
mintimi nka se pipe nsu no efiri Ghana Water Company buying company ɔno nso so ɔyɛ aba on the Ghana Water Company aba giatum sɛ wɔn treatment session a wɔn nso so wɔn yɛ aban agiatum Ghana Standards Authority ɛne water Food and Drugs Authority agye wɔn nneɛma atum a wɔn nso so wɔn yɛ adwuma wɔn nsuo no ɛyɛ wɔn nsuo no yɛ wɔn nso challenges
okay.
Because we pipe no na mo bi ho no na obi akɔpae ho baabi na bi efin bi akɔpa baabi no na yɛ omo challenges a ebi a wo nso omo yɛ me ntimi ntana nka je
na bato wadaroma enya pipe nsuo no na ɛnoa bi na mo de yɛ sachet drinking water no
eni po omo kurumu akɛse se bi obi ho no a o mpo ano bi o tubo ho na nkyene ne ade o na bi yusu na ta ko ma de bi no so omo wo yi a kurase ne baabi a men po and the baby boho and yet to and yet choose uniform in the idea. Now, the men crew the boho, you know.
Matthias here. And no crown also on this way, if he any pipe the end cross also on this way, if he wumpa.
Yo, MC didn't come on up with you, the Mabua party. Different people so bomb.
There be a question we are no mammy, I can remember them, but we started. Let me leave you. Baby said, you know, what I say, 1 year walk Ruma, one way MI, sachet water, Omuna, a tunes, Omuna, a son in so to be. But Omu, you saw, Okase, a bimu yusu. And the one more yusu pipe in Suno, almost on a pipe in Suno so crana, a fee a wumpa. Through the reverse osmosis now, Caro.
And I make a pipe or no ebana. Ghana Water Company, dear, almost on you, so come on. Name of my country said, me say, baby, or no pipe, and seeing you hold my pipe and go back with Nabia. I could got a demo. Maybe I will be for you to pop me a kind of your pipe. So when I'm home with the pipe, be a higher.
Yeah.
A paya, a PVB, my good mamma, a more big crowd, the account. It is a good idea, Nesibia, the far more. And I both here. So I'm here, be with my
no crepa, no crepa. And as I said, the Monsieur, Yabenume. Now, one casano, Mamma Mod opportunity, which you know a brand banger.
Baby, me, a brand mamma, may you have a 2 ways. Oh, Baba, advert, Mamma dear, but make us see, and Mamma said, and Baba can means you, means you, I will Ghana baby, I meet him money.
I started as well.
The David. And what did you do? It may soon be you have money. Oh, David means when you feed if you didn't amuse you, where they made us a pass of one who come out in wedding, come on, Mishrap. Or a bush for Yane Kwame, a Japan and Tra, and I'll say Yane a din common, or near Casama for a Masashi Water Producers Association of Ghana. But Cecilia, no, my main cow say harvest praise basso nyame adoma adafia da edeni ni mia oye ochina ewo First Love Center ewo is Legon time no 4 p.m. na ye shasia anyumtufo a wo badwuma de ase Tego Sisters Anointed PSA Star the Youthful Team Eternity Ghana the Evergreen Harvest Gospel Choir wamoso ena babetunyum ewo sa adwuma de ase unse afi no ye twa eye the first quarter na ye twa no ebimu atwa na nanom wonse edo me ne wo ka sei ebinom yare eda yare sabia na wo no uda so wo ahoden na ekra no enye wo ahofe enye wo sika enye wo nimde bia eja nyame adom adenti na ochina unkonko him ewo Harvest Praise 2026 ewo First Love Center where is Legon na wo fende nyame ase kai se dwumade enya ade a ye gisika bia na de wo so ye nyina na se ewo so register no mu hu se wo ba na one register na kodu ho anya de e be ma wa hwem register sisi a *725 *115# *725 *1155#. Come and experience the praise, worship, and the total restoration. Ebusia ebekwa ko twan ho aba. Sisi a ye twan ho ba wie a in studio. Emmanuel Darko, a young and an enterprising communication consultant oba be piem wo Ghana ha na wo yo cheche ni e wo UPSA
na ukono jina nkola enim na ono so hwe se de waye kukuru yi na ono so jina nkola enim na uhwe onene nkola na dress no difference bi enimu a na menua na wa wonim de betimi esi eye sintidua kese na Benjamin Asare so abefie ha ye ka Benjamin Asare the New Patriotic Party se metimi aka se e ba no communication a ono no e champion communicator e ma New Patriotic Party but the to the bia eye no person wia me kakra e ho na me so ma free me ni na ma che no me no ka say Benjamin Asare so atanasia enewie for God and country ejumedie no ye de ebrewo na kai say eje me nkwa na me wo fie ha Patrick Ewofie ha sase na SARFO Kantanka ewa ha and the Patrick is the producer extraordinary and of course he's doing a great job being supported by Tony. Ye try ho aba ye ba will get into other issues but the other issues na say no ye bisa say ye wo dum so mu ana say ye ni dum so bi mu and can ha a particular areas wo mo experiencing kanya dum wi ye bisa say what is the problem ye ni assemblyman ba ko be ka so say na on de ne potem de kanya dum ne de ayadia ekosopa ye dan ho abasesia nkate kwan any light soup any enchiche moment ahododo munyina no ye mamo adwo ye dan ho abasesia
Munde dinam se manya foreign call. Hello papa, what do be a new? Se me feel London, eko US. Na no kwa ruku kwa fa me baba mania. Na papa mo hote sei. Awurade aduma habako. Na me ko jejesi, eko bosempene mo. De wo do kwa se paase kumase. E ba ko so pokoyes. Na do plywood and just say the board dance so. Te se bibia e de hye e dance ase de ko wie. Depo no nyina so ayatufo bo. Wo du ka mu a, wo ko ja free. Akra wuyi kaswa depo eni pokrasi de no kwa to nchen a wosa wo bu akoteman Tantra Hill Iron City amanfrom wosa bie depo kese so e wo Koshiman Kumasi sepase depo no kwa da nchen a ebisu magazine road head office no wo bie depo kese so e wo da de ntam edwisu Akra road Femeswa opposite Alhaji Salia ampaba meboshen Tanoso Breman and Amanfrum. Numbers of for the free 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 93. Nana Kujesi Company Limited. Hey, a Kuabas in Primono.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo for destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you SOMPA First Service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasishia. A bro Yankupon Kasa Chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
SOMPA First Service entra wo hu hoda eya dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsia fa woda ni na share densa na erade beye
Ewra me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bagi
bra aden ena so biem
time heba me hye ya me ka se yi ba kun ani wayi mi ensen
bra sanya time heba me hya esi agye me ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen
we de udi se ofa ni nyina
time heba me hya me ka se me di wa dance ya heaven ena de me kwa akopie enti se malaria we draw ne time heba me hya
enye enunku de nanum oto a wontimi ani die no time heba me hya duro no ena yema wo oba a wo fa afuo de wo ma akwada no fo ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi se obeto aduro yi bi anuma hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab amiye hu se wo atudie malaria yi bi ansa se opetam heba misa enwe dudu etu a fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House ana ba ko so wo atonso wo na ko junction
eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers ene herbal shop dodo na em
Fre 0244 417669
kayo set time no time Herbal Mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu betu akọ
FDA age adwade nkratu yi atu
Hajia special local food abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wede na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi a cha nani a Hajia special local food e wo ha ahemfo atomic kwan no so ho no de enti e friend local food ne say enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane say eya abontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tena se no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se mo mfra haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve haji special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 na with them
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bi a enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a je 21st clinic nkoa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni faso wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na se 21st clinic still wo mu ye sciatica expert yasa kan ye hu biaba dokono papa no afei na wo bekojo akototo aburo abetwa ho sente ababe ye dokono akoton wo bra Jones hot kenke e wo ho eye 3 Ghana cedis pe o say price no wo betu na wo kwa na akoton eno no se wonya wone ma na wo dia boss enti sabre die introducing Jones hot kenke ye de aburo papa e ho twa ene ye dia ye ba bia ye no nso e ya ho ne die highly clean environment and then which naturally nice and it tastes good. Ain't it yeah comfort the amount say just hot kinky. No amoto dokuno nyina. E mamu ncha mo ho biem, e mamu mre biem. Mo metum free en chain. E ye 3 Ghana cedis pe. Joe's Bakery, Dome, your commercial bank at Chihuahua, the open do it to her. Now, a friend 025 60 and you say, dear, Joe's hot king cabinti, and one is a Uber 2 ya. Now, would your quack see what corner hot now? Joe's hot kinky, yet dear bow punano, way a year.
All right, Nemuna and Kwao, and you way pa by. Na madam fu bi ai tata me the Holy Ghost ya chechire no wo sa ani etu ni din ni mu na nkwa ho ewa me dem say wo Japan sisi out follow show ewa ya checha wo na ye MPP chairman a wo Japan eti ewa ma me ncha ni mu na nkwa ho ye kwa amano sisi na ye ni Honorable Joseph Abbey edin komo assemblyman for aye agape na ma me mbisa no honorable me ma kwa ba na ti say. Hello, Honorable. Hello, Honorable Abbey. Hello, Honorable Abbey. What are you doing? Good. Now, you know, more agape area, no, where he won't cry here.
My first one, so your friend, agape principles, etc. area.
Yeah, where he.
Central Municipal Assembly.
Okay.
In the Anya Social 1.20.
Okay. Meda was say a way what Japanese when he young edin como. Na say no, o sen kanya dundum no. Ade akoswo empesua so ho pa ho.
Me pacho kanya dundum be empesua so de every day be a light off.
Every day be a light off.
Sometimes any light off na a face off.
Any light off a face off.
I say any light off and face off. One of the major challenges is transformer now you work some parts of the areas, you know, to me, and so they need load, you know. Load, you know,
transformers, no.
ECG for a problem. My core complaining at the amount several times. My helpline sometimes
now, and can you do more? A cherry answer na banana.
Some part of the areas got me a call of like 3 days.
3 days?
Yes, and sana about the boy a buyer and sign a could be. And yet, all the areas.
And yet, all the areas. Now, me met me a cancer, so do you say, maybe I may meet you. I would domain estate muhono. Now, say I'm complaining my ECG for complaining my ECG for still no problem, no, that's so a war no. Say 3 years in any new hoy.
I said, and I make say, and not completely the entire electoral area. And now, a honor almost ma almost team now, almost services, transformers. And now, dispatch you.
All right.
Maybe I transformers, and on the way at the poor, and them. And see, most of the multi demonstration, and I said, in every interlocutor corner, now,
Wabra, Wabobay, almost service transformers, you know, a giant answer, enjoy.
Transformers now a walk, that's why I know also.
And to me, because I said the mobile service, yeah, Musumu year demonstration, call more officer, yin for a mobile service, a year transformers, you know, maybe I say a giant. So it means that the transformers are a war area, Muhojina, and I say, and Krahana, Ghana, Henina, and need this servicing.
Yes, very well. Some of them also need upgrading. Any expansion of more transformers.
Oh, okay.
Because Ofa baby to say Joma. You say what you hold me a Joma.
Yeah, my tipping.
I mean, person was special before Joma side.
Yeah.
And now initially, no, not Joma. Or Monka, me electoral area until say. Omo transformer na e wo me first one so omo e di be kan omo di load ni be kan e wo sa
transformer no so
see amasa side of the area ni na every day omo dey every day be the experience like this the fair baby mami kan the fair baby agape top
yeah
agape down mama kids area. The whole most of the time light off.
Okay. You better was say, but idea me person we yen and say 1 year womuniama say no. Ma woman be reporting show not take a data on that. Say they be a kasa. You be nyina so papa bi e de akomokon de am why.
Me data ni pa.
Na it is say no am for niama asay no. Say wo so data na now who quantify at your base came one. San your money in our boy basing.
Me pacho
untiminchre. Now fridges do sing and I say, I won't put them on a TV do sing. Gadgets do sing and I say.
Gadgets ni do I say between somewhere around 15. 15.
Okay.
Gadgets you didn't know TV ni fridge.
Be 15.
Be 15 any air condition the boma.
Okay. We there you better was pass and we wa ma ho kwan ma ye na wedding komo na ye GP say komo ye di empanyifo 80 o metu anamo ho anamo na transformers a enimanimu ya wo mu hia servicing no na wo ma ba be ye na sa servicing no be ye no a kere wo ho
a che almost 2 years ni.
2 years ni. So they need to come and reservice the transformers again. I believe it is.
Very well.
Okay. My end was in the weeks past so ma hokwama ye no din komo. Honorable Joseph Abbey, assemblyman for Agape electoral area, not to say any din komo nyame nkoso ensure pa. Good. Ebusha yedamo say. Na nkomo we a medi wa hasesi a no. Wa wutie mu abonten. Wo experience sa light offs ni bia na. Uniema ben na say. Ye be bie lines na tum na oso de wa dwen kire aba. Ba mi ka say 21st clinic ebo edwuma yie pa ya ka 21st clinic a sciatica no wo mo no mwetimi aye nhwehwemu ewo bibremu ha ehu se yade bi wo ho a friend sciatica na eba no ho ayaresa so a wo mo nko ano mwetimi sa ewo ebibremu ha nyina ti amanfo fi Cote d'Ivoire amanfo free eye Zambia wo mo nyina ba 21st clinic sciatica ya no bi bisa se sciatica yade no eye yade benga so sisi mu na fa we chika sei na nam usire mu na be pieu na ase e ko bana sa wontimi ntu nan usire mu tutu me ba cho se wo tra ha wo na hunu se sciatica bia wo so do na chire no 21st clinic enkran ha hwehwe 21st clinic e wo Tantra Hill runabout tema wo mo Roman Catholic Church no echi ho a kasoa wo mo new obuom ekwan no so wa se wo kumase na wotie yin a omo ohwe overseas baby SOMPA FM wo na sunyane womni regional hospital first gate no na di hwe ni mo se wo techima na wotie a womo echi akwan ye wo OGN bank edan no ho as enkransa womo be nkura park children's park no takwa womni Roman stores no na di hwe ni mo wo takwa de a womni efie kuma no ba 9 station ebenso ewo ho a 21st clinic offices Brekum Goso and Obuasi for 21st clinic 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na maminka obio say time herbal mixture would German so make him hunsa matro Benjamin Asari net say
Prof
Bibi aboko there
oh bad there daruma
abrantie fefe
ya me de ache nye ne honam ni moja na
mi da ase
ntino se nyame boa ne betena se na se hu nsu se ya se ya de ase da manyame
ye de twedi ampo ase
sa pepe to aye bia ma ye na enye no de a ka ahokyere de wo ho papa
entina wo ka se aye John Mahama ni NDC amamo wui no etise den
se ba fire ogina shoe shop no obusa shoe size
mi da ase
ni shoe ne size oni nan
aye yemfensi mami kona me mami nua akabada Emmanuel Dako a young lecturer with UPSC Imana it say
Prof nyame adaroma ye ho ye
school mo boko there na de ubeso ko soja na green and I want taste for US Army
oh
another Ghanaian army
mentai na dia akani na
you very pass your friend waje pre mo amba na Benjamin una odi kan ba ye Samuel Batu say enya de a obetimi aba safo me de ibi sende o eti ye na fato so mame me de ibi sende o Samuel Batu says you also ye disciples of Esedun Ketia oye God had
day for who day for you.
You know, the match Samuel Batu says, hey, okay, that's fine.
I have fast.
Who guy Fonka?
Fonka. Abua papa mo. I have fast. Disciples of Esedun Ketia. Disciples of me. 12 disciples allowed and this is the end of 200.
Oh yes, bad. Yeah, Ghana head though. Me patch up mama me crime me do is here. She said no, we know every Samuel Batu in chain. Was say woman we are disciples of Esedun Ketia. Na Easter ya ye kwa kudi. Woman ma eye Esedun Ketia. Eye the chairman of the NDC. Any Dr. Nketia woye Esedun Ketia ba omo happy Easter so Esedun Ketia general so te enka dia we if you disciples in chain Samuel Batu edimu akotene pa to mo say womo happy Easter we there fancy na Benjamin Asari
Prof
yes
Edin amanyo seven ankasa no obi otebe bi obeka sa enya din bi oboa
sa
wo edin enya mas amanyo semu ni enya disciples of Esedun Ketia yi mi hu bi da say Jesus Christ Oba asase so a obenye asuafo dumienu no. E de wo mo ye adwuma na Judas ka ho no. Say no oba NDC side ye resi edu nketia. Yanya no ho disciples.
And Judas.
Why na be Judas no? Go by almost disciples resi enya Judas wo. Enti ka samo batu ha ke busa say why na be Judas? Because ultimately disciples unya abra unya asi edu unya Judas wo. E dey ya obenya Judas. Enti why na be Judas at the end no be yes edu ketia ma. Ese so oba no be tire but ni nyina mu no ni nyina ka ho in fact to me asi edu nketia ye one person bi am adman ye pa sure you can't take it away from asi edu nketia
all right
when it comes to Ghana politics otiase and obeno na wutie nsem ba akumienu bi obeka kire wa me nya sa privilege no ma me boss bi kokoshia no ma okọ nchen so a onye partisan
oh sir
so okwesi edu nketia nche ya onye partisan onu di nkomo as the fellow Ghanaian we politician na ono nso te politics as no wo kire wo niema ba akomienu
I dey say we ni papa
ba ye ni papa ba on seso obedi president
seso
emfata no
adendra
na adeni o mamu ani ese e be president ye ese edu nketia
that say onye nipa onye Ghana
mi nka so onye nipa on semfata say obeye president wo mamu
dem na ma nsem fata
na why the mosquito the president
ne ahotedin
na ahotedin ni subai se asi edu nketia ahotedin no eni ni subai pepepepepe o ka wo mo asebe o mo yi jokes sebe o mo kan nsemfo e wo NDC mu a wo yi asi edu nketia firi wa Sam George ne wo enipa mienu sebe politics ayeye no ensem wo firi wo mo anu mu ba enye papa no mo kan di tia Ghana ni se ne se so a wo yi asi edu nketia firi wa Sam George no
enu na amano sa you know akwenya na say won't me be mampanyin
na so
wonyina so a wo de
na wo president a waba o mamu anu ma wo kan semfo a yama na akwenya say oni president da
ma me hwe ye mampanyin
so me president be
okay yes starting from the 4th Republican dispensation His Excellency Jerry John Rawlings
ono no say no enye military rule no de ba ya ko oni president on the catcher fantefo say o krakra eja ne nan ya o kataso o kai sa asem na obekan
na sa asem no kan no kre
na house na ntu person je say fantefo ko toilet o mo nkataso sebe o mo ja o mo ye o mo hu ye o mo nkataso o mo ja o sa
okay yembra ye mampanyin dada ye je kufu
se ma sem ba ko abenya fa no
on kan sem fun bia
wunya bi
Professor Mel say
kire me benya bi
sa
no lecture kire me so di obenya bi aka bi du fi asem nya asem bone o si du fi asem enya asem bone
na John Dramani Mahamai
dead goat syndrome no dey so no
na so o ye mampanyin
say ka ono na asem
there be so ka say esiedu nketia enam nsam yiya e wona no enti no wontimi ndi mampanyin ena sesi a wo ka John Dramani Mahama His Excellency ye mampanyin osisi say waka dead goat syndrome but he's a president equally esiedu nketia can become president
ena me ka kire o say
metie
so wo fa yewura John Dramani Mahama ene oye president the first instant obey president no eno no na ye ado your friends say awujade obi na wuye no obedi na
but right after that he contested an elections right
and oba would na 8 years you know oba Ghana for sebe ne omfa kwam ne niema nkoyie yeto abama no say yanto abama na 8 years say no oba be president no yakwanya bi a Ghana for years
na say John when you know if my memory should serve me right when you know Abebia and Lusu and winning before the 2016 general elections ana
when you know baby when you know
as president
when sympathy vote no am the man say Satan na president Mills ewuye
but so gina Ghana
and am so mo share president Mills so na to aba de man no na nyi onu ankasa John Dramani Mahama na yehwe no so to aba
the first John
yes the first John I no mo frɛ so de to aba man
okay Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo so
na Nanado de obede nya bibia fa no ka ade ba ko abeka
ahemfo nyina mo sorry
na sole president aba no so sorry aye bone
hey
wo president aba wo so sorry aye bone
na wo president wo na obeka chem se men so
na wo di onim se president the number 1 the first gentleman of the land aba wo nchai wono na esi edi buoma ne edi kan na waba wonom na se wonsori on kan jo sorry
na hemfu nyina o ka chem so sorry
na wo ka so man sorry
sorry
na wo ye be ma transe na no ye bone yesi yemfa nidie ma wo mo anidie ye dai ese wo mo na ye president according to your constitution he is the number 1 gentleman of the land first person ye bo Ghana fo dia enipa be bo ni dia di kai e president
enti de oye sabre twebro
enyemfumso eno no nya kasafin anase wo
no de enyemfumso de oye na enyemfumso
ne hwa ye
de eye nanado ye a o ka kire ahemfo no se obi ansore
anase
na
enyemfumso wo ye fumso ma
de bi wona mi bisa
me de am se enyemfumso ana wo ye mfumso ma enyemfumso enti tie nsɛm asi edu nkatia ka wɔ kurom a
ati the second John so ɛho ne sɛn
second John dey say wɔ man no wasɛ no yewura John Dramani Mahama de 1 year asɛ Ghana man atete apansam
me da se
no man nen say na bi yemfansi I mean address President Mahama
David, you can address him well. Nyabutre, I am the moderator, so take it from me.
Hey,
thank you so much. Respect the chair. Said yeah, who say?
Yes, I
David said yeah, who say?
Sounds me
me pato said yeah, who say? Ye kane mampenyin nanado dankwa kufa do ko kachire ahemfu nyina so mo sori ahunu se enye bone no sa so na me so metimi dwem me ka cho se ye din eno so enye bone me da se pa Benjamin Asari na nkomo mienu a me di sesi Benjamin light dia me kan ho asem ene sachet water dia ye di ye no your comments on these two issues
me da se prof menchia osronko na menchia etiefo ne ahwefo mo agebre na omo hwe ye nwumre menchia ompanimfo a no mo ye adwuma na menchia menu ayima emze mi hu yima che yie pa anse mo de me to ha na ono nso abakire nti ntimi nhia nti yima mechia no sonko ma fe ne yie prof yes dumso asaba eno no de obia ne me ya adwen wo mamu ha say we are all experiencing dumso asaba oman no me kai say eye me wan say ye di dumso target John Dramani Mahama for the first administration 4 years na wasaba biem ne anim so obeba be ye bibi different na still ano wa ba wo say supervise dumso me dwen ho a menti ase ade ba akwa me dadwen ho a menti ase because ade ba akwa ya mempese me de be politics e wo mamanyo semu a me yim electricity because say dumso ba prof affect bibia bra me area me wo baba for ebre seamstress ebre mechanics omo bre welders omo bre obi a we use electricity didi ni dwuma bia no no de hwe na yire ene na busuafo service amanfo so service wo mo no a omo use light na omo nyina ebre ene 4 days unua one of your sister station by me area ebe share coastal omo run coastal prof be hwe enam a asei a omo bibia asei ma me ba ko so okokoji loan na okoji loan no ni mistake oye ne se na ese ko to generator e de ka ho ba wo check sika na ode ye adwuma no ontimi nto generator ni bibia asei prof ma me ni bibia asei dum so asaba and then 3 days 2 days ni enra e bo be se 9 anajo and a light by into from Tuesday be 4 enwumre a omudum ye honom light ne ba enra 9 o'clock 9 and a light ne ba na ne ya ne se light me kai se day na me ba hard light na me she fugu no me ka tro se me da sumu go fugu nya de a me ta epe bebre ba se ye ma light off dia ene atade a me she eye fugu nti prof me nti ase enye John Jirapo we na no oti opposition in charge of parliament ranking member our parliament I know in charge of energy na o kire mu say energy no electricity no kra na ye twem ye tu ya ho ka wo Ghana ha no kra no ne bo odin na omo ba ne omo ni tu ya na so omo te so 30% e de ma Ghana for John Jirapo na minim say ye eba enyina mu kane ho nsem ana say energy sector na oye obi a wabiri mu a wadasu kopa say kenken kwa king kwa me no kasa sesi a prof NDC ba akonyomu no omo ka kire say omo ma yetua omo di dumso levy eba na dumso levy no asekire nyina ne say omo pese enya stable light and efficient light e de mayen se ne ebe ya ye ho beto ye and omo de 1 Ghana cedi city tariff mu by 28.3%. Still that's so experience dumso.
But you should also not lose sight of the fact say nkania ye tutu no na me PURC for customer for wedding komo. It tells me say sa de na omo ye no enya aban na ye omo no omo ye. So why are you putting it to ye mampenye otisi ya say womo na womo ama ye nkania ho sama
nkati asem ni bi na wo kan edun nkati ansem na wo kan bi na wo kan because
me interview am ye wa
no asi edun nkati asem na wo ka kire me sesi ye me asem a wo ka kire me ye si edun nkati ansem ni bi na wo ka kire me sa time na ye wa ban mu no na ye to electricity mu na ye PRC for na netum
entino men kan kire me say me na me ka kire but that was what the PURC
but me dey wo na wo ka kire me
but I quoted PURC
and na me ka kire say wo kan PRC wo na wo ka kire me say
but I quoted PURC
and na me say wo mo nsem na wo kan enu bi na wo ka kire me no enti asi edun nkati a line of interview ne questions ne nsem wo kan e bi na wo kan
asi edun nkati a wa ye den
onye mehwe
wadan for pass no
oh say my catch also you be am respecting you ba politics ne ma we dey I totally disagree with him on certain issues because ye wa ban mu no say ye to electricity mu a almost na nado danko akufu adu ni tirimu odten we ye Nebuchadnezzar ye wura president ka say electricity e ya de a otumu a e affect bibia wo mamu a enti eni kwa say ye wura Akufuado eto electricity na ese wo dwen Ghana fo ho asemo a yewura president a oteso nesesi ye yewura John Dramani Mahama o ka kire Nanado Danko Akufuado ema asame jamfi ka se yewura Akufuado wo ye Nebuchadnezzar ni tirimu odin to the extent say electricity no omo draw ya kokoduru ba bi say yewura bawomia because of hopte eya ne die nti no ukoto electricity kura 10 cedis a yeti percentage de koma bawomia direct wanti wo kromu a ene de na asesa omo pa ba mu no Sam George ya sebe won kaka sapa da bia ne kasa fi ono a be ka kire ye say sa asem na omo ka fa na bawomia wo enye no kure
Sam George ne kasa be no ka na kasa fi
Sam George
yeah
and Sam George in Yebusa and say, oh, opposition, oh, champion, LGBTQ plus. Now then, omo call parliament na be no omo yi to twene ye na omo amfa amfa mu omo say speaker ni wono. Obi busa and say na wo champion LGBT plus. Na fe ye there say e dey asem na aka no. Me na champion ko hodom na ko busa omo super committee na omo hwe LGBTQ plus no so kokobusu omo.
Na asem we no kasafin.
That is the most useless statement amati free. Obi to say Sam George ano. Sam George kro ya ka kire say President Mahama will know no peace. So wo babem na say one sign LGBTQ plus be na he will know no peace from him. President Mahama on say Sam George Sam George ba aben won so attack President Mahama da.
Enti nyabotre enti no Sam George nsem a wo kan nyina no ye betimi aka no say o ka asem a onni so but enye kasafin
asem bia wo kan wonni so bia the principle no wo wasem bia ye kasafin
okay me ba cho ma me na
enti no wo interrupt sa na say wo ma ye kwa me nsi anya fan mba ye wo ma me flow ba akokra
flow bebre bia wo nya
oh me ba ye wo say yi macro so sa asem bia meka bia na bia ba ba wo mba
o ka flow asem a na say ye nuanom ba boso me be so a o be ko afitire no flow no mesrew say o kan e ato sabi
ye penny abre ya so kuta we dey amagani amagwesia ni hu amagawo na we dey all champion wafa we obi anu mpre prof fa wa dey we ye wa wo dia
go with him
Sam George and someone okan okrom ha in fact prof yemfa bibia anto nche say you hold politicians by their words and someone omo opposition a omo ka no omo ba ban mu a ese make sure say sansem na omo kan ye no e yade a omo ye ho adwuma
all right
so o hwe bibi to say you are president opposition or can galamsey ho asemeboa to the extent say Sam George Kroye lose stock money or can say president obeba be di akonwa na waye na adwen so obe stop galamsey enya dia obe hia more than 2 weeks what be stop galamsey wo mamu a the only thing na say ube truly military for no and wo the security and because of change won some be ba ya ya dia ba be gina 50 pesos nti say baby a be top your water bia no 50 pesos nti say woka sisi asa wo tumu a and he was trying to defend say nka so omo betumu akọ 15 Ghana cedis prof yewura na interview no nya abotre no won control price e wo Ghana ha because uko baby a pure water no obi ton 10 cedis esi am no ka say baby yes uko baby so obi so ton 12 cedis esi am no ka say say wo ba betumu no enye wo na wo be kire wo bi ne won ton ne de o nti say 15 cedis na wo ka kire no obi kura betimi aton abro nti say wo ton factory price say o mo ton 8 cedis it doesn't mean say o mo be far from factory price factory one no mo de kwa so o mo ton 10 cedis. It doesn't work that way because nipa na ono be fa no afa no obete ne transportation afrim what the be fia what the be she fridge ma afa no obete electricity afrim and san ono de ne profit eso onya no ato so enti so omutum a they should admit say e yade a pure water na e ba be kosoro e bia 1 cedi bra e be bro sa prof e be bro 1 cedi na wo kan wasem no because me catch you say here say wo ko factory ho no mo a na wo kokoto such water na e 6 cedis o me no kasa sisi e 6 cedis but say what to such water abon e wa bontra e 10 cedis enti difference na yes enye 4 cedis enti e dey na wo di nsuo ba beji sisi a 8 cedis ana 9 cedis na wo expect say ni o beto no enkonkoto no 10 cedis ana 11 cedis enye possible enti yesra omo ni hu biem na at least aban no enkoso omo asene kakra se ne be ma ye itimamufo no nso no ye ho ahen ha ye enti sa prof taxes nyina omo pia ni nyina de begu consumer no so ye da bia tax bia omo de beba bia say ya boso kan say ya ba bia ye na omo de begu ye so na wo kona akoto shafta sa price tax na ye de ato aboso kan fo no so no wo na wo koto shaft no wo no wo de ka ho ama ho mami na wase na mami ka say Sabri uyo bia etidi yade ekweti a na ha woju nwanjia wedra ne eye time herbal mixture eya hoban bodru kese na wanya etidi yare no so na wonom a enchere na ho atọ na edro we no Food and Drugs Authority for ajatum obi a wo honam ye ya se wo ho na honam nyina ya wo ya ka edro no eye time herbal mixture na time HH capsules any mixture na de HH mixture no se ubomodin na wonye bia woye bema wotabo adabrijo bema wota yisu sikwa ene hu kani edinhie mu no me pacho sa ne mani nyina ebejai bema wo yisu sikwa no ayade ana ade no mo aye gozogozo entine je se o de nsa support ene e friend sikwa no sa support ni nyina be free ho a me pacho aye time HH mixture ene the capsules se bema wo ho na wo jinso yi yawa na chese prostate no hu ya ka Bomoding up a time herbal mixture. And that's a time HH mixture and the capsules. It's an immune system booster. A manipedia quano then so don't come. Na debiara dano best so we your bar wa him fear ho. Mananya wese enya kume bikitwebi. Now per se a hoya kume bi anakitwebi a time HH mixture and then the capsules and the betimi di wakajrim. Bomoding in no way na meka ho asemi. Wodi we nature drugstore pharmacy shop bia. We benya time herbal mixture. No. Eye a 3D. Ana we no ma to a wontimi ndidi no. Ene betimi aboa wo. Na time HH mixture na the capsules so there. Eno so drugstore pharmacy shop bia ben wo. Me pa jo betimi abomoding a friend number we 0244 417669 0244 417669. Time herbal mixture. Makacho say it's a prophylaxis. You need it. Maminko eye Emmanuel in Jenamiti. Ima, permit you.
Really? Yes, I say really from Kakana. Now say him feel say you come every home.
I will say you come heavy.
Ghana.
I get to heavy.
leaders and followers are confused.
Are they?
Because the motor drama man say o ma himfi be kuma bi no.
Yeah.
Ebi so to ama mema na so mo mema be kakra na.
Normal. Because at the end of the day, no, at the end of the day, no, that would lead to sexual satisfaction.
And a prof, I himfi na ye kuma bi an announce with iko no yi. Obe na ko.
Me ma so ko enim.
Oh, said he. Prof, I do so. Okay, but I tell you for that. And come on, him say your time in to know. Messi said in your boom na ya my say a kurasem kwano. Putogum ni hwegum sa na be no. Prof, a thought that I think say we overestimate our relevance, and I say we overstate who we are. Both MPP and NDC for you now. On the issue of doomso, any fuel prices are abasro because that was one of the stories I produced at the same name. Prof, a day NMA ye de doomso levy by and I the friend D levy. I might say or per se, ye will be a friend of energy sector debt, legacy debt. I bind the cow energy sector ho. And now ye will shortfalls to be ho. Now, match our shortfalls no. Any sa legacy debt no. Any the entire doomso levy in the first place, na a very useless venture. But it was a lazy approach we took. Abra omodi D levy ni eba no. As someone Minister of Energy, Honorable Jina Poka, it is only a smart government. It is only an intelligent government. And a day a 12 beba will be to answer encounter. And into the start say we overestimate our relevance. Both MPP and NDC. No question say prof. E besi enne. To me I detetre on mine. To me I dema on mine Emma edi you know. Eni Ghana for nsem. Let's understand the fact to say. Anytime I will be say oh Ghana emu adro see the about form we mu about form no. MPP no I na leaders na ye to abama omo omo nsa e wo mi kuma bi. Most of the forces are driving the economy. A foreign, a external. One who say enter na NDC for Castle and Tokwane see Russia Ukraine ain't me ma or my Ghana hon no. And a Middle East. Ama a hotel start a trinity. Fuel about a week or two ago, Prof. Now I'm saying 10, 11. Meboa. Oko trade and put ya fi na ya agro. There were two companies as na omo de ye wait to know we are to wait to know we are to so. Ekusi saying akosi say 15 ye nim se wotina ye beda be sorry na akọ 17 and 18 on my Ghana dachi on my Ghana maye yo besi ene eni ensem. The factors that drive our economy no purely external and now the man can say largely external. Na yamra dum so no so aban catcher say or the one city be too few also. Na ye tuya dum so mabio. Prof, ye tuya one city no. Na fi dum so ye kofa ne hefa. One city ni ye tuya na aban be so chesi ye tuya. Ukofu ukotofu obi na utuya what tuya one city ne de da. 1 year aba ye tuya na fi dum so no efri hefa na ba.
So na almost say a energy debt recovery levy.
Prof, and almost say ye tuya on mema yen kania ntin ye friend D levy say a doomso levy.
There be doomso levy ne dey a minority ne dey ma.
Whatever it is, energy sector omo dey ba hwe me ba.
Ma menti.
Teacher for there. Ukohwe sa act na. Purpose. Energy Sector Levy Act 2025 Act 1135 is to increase the rate of the energy sector shortfall and debt payment levy in order to raise additional revenue to support the payment of energy sector shortfalls, reduce energy sector legacy, and stabilize power supply.
Okay, that's fine.
We abainan krata omokasi
and some of them
kind. Once you didn't hear, into your coban say. So obekaya ye this sound come away with fear. I think that day na me nua panyi anim pie say wa hase.
Yeah.
And I said this is a lazy approach to solve energy sector debt and then the legacy shortfalls any debt no.
Why?
Shortfalls na ne de. Energy sector shortfall ni nyina ne say. Ye konoa enyinam no a. Me pese me breaking it down so that
that's fine.
Ye konoa enyinam na say electricity na. Ye noa no won kra ha say. Ye noa na kosomu. Ye noa no wa kosomu ho wi a. E wo say ye transmit e de bank kran. Na omo station e won kran no ebesi so. E free akosomu e de bank kran no emu be 4% enyunugu from kwa. That is what we call the transmission shortfall. Ye noa na ye dey free akosomu dia bank kran no 4% ehwiegu from kwa. Abanya boka 4%. Ebia na ye kodie na ye nkobo obo na mponi aboka 4%. Ebedru o calculate no sika mu a eye $2.2 billion. Ene nyunugu kwa esogu eno enye ye dey transmission any wires na ye dey distribution no. Enti enyunugu kwa. Enti abanse oba be solve sa ade we ama ye ho atoye. Enti odi D-levy aba. And I say energy sector
recovery levy.
Utuya 1 CD ape omo projection no afi bia ye benya 5.7 billion cedis. O de ba dollars mo $500 million. Almost 4 times less than nyunugu no keke. So if abane ye proactive say or solve shortfalls ne nkwa na nke benya $2.2 billion ye hia D-levy. But this was the easiest and laziest way for the government to raise revenue. So I was surprised when the minister in parliament to say this is a smart, and then yes, smart 22% ni nyina so. O de ya towo yes foforo ya ton fidie foforo. Na ye te so ba 11% impo. Ye reduce shortfall no from 22%. At the ba 11% ye benya sika 1.1 billion. Still more than sa sika na D-levy de bema ye in 2 years. But yeti krom han yenunu ehon yesre wo kan be MPP ni wo kan be NDC ni enti ene minister should come and respond to us say na ose ye man 1 CD a or the smart way ebemo ye nyankane a e stable me pato yetua. Where is the side of the bargain? Some man for cold store numbers. This is not MPP NDC say obi bo ma ban yeti ana say bi ni say usuo talk akaya disciple Sami Batu. So no wa ba mu ntino do no kakra to no ensuo mu na kakra bia o wada me sure say we
say Samuel Batu
disciple Samuel Batu
o se den
so o wa ba mu enti ensuo to kakra bi no o say ye inconvenience wada opposition ni ti ha o tra wono so ba mu awia ba be kasa awia na no e den no do wo ma
sa
yeah.
No to my man to aso.
Yeah na ye dirante no ne be fa nsuom awiemu aba. Na ye ne be ka no kre ne akere aban mufo ene ye ngana timamufo ne say the fact that we NDC ni na what to abama NDC aba ne doesn't mean say don't demand accountability from your own people. Senka energy sector hono ye se ye hwe ne yie pa a reduce shortfall na ye betimi ate ye kaso 2.2 billion prof IMF na ye coin na ye say 3 billion or more than but ya noa nyinam ewo akosomu no emedru nkran emedru mifie no na 2.2 billion enwunu kwa and me council the akosi say etoda aya na problem no enya politicians so the technocrats the so called technocrats but amanyofo so hwehwe ni muntini bia na omode omo akofore nipa omoti VR ni Gridco ni netco ni wan. What are they doing about these shortfalls? Shortfalls ni 22% o. Aban institutions omunsu yusu enyinam ahoden a omuntu aka no so mpo ye nkomo foforo. Parliament ka ho ye starting free ho. Enya be 2 or so years ago ena ECD focus nkomu kotwa parliament.
I remember that particular story.
It is enka aban so ye panyin papa aban patriotic enough etua wono so na nyina mahoden a wo use wo ministries wo assemblies wo schools wo other agencies a enka ye nhia D-levy but we say na ekoba ni say na manfo ka say ene enka 1 cedi ni ye nyin free na ye ho he high na emra 14 the way to go ene say oman no nyame amaye adoma chede bebre wa maye resources wa maye nipa etoda mu mienyi politics in free chain yenyi colours no ento nche na ye ntena se ne anwi se oman Ghana ye no say na beko meba ye kan meba
e be hwe bre no ntino
meba na abote wa
but so wie no na about sachet water there's another issue we have to talk about
na me de buma ba ye sa na ma we nyina awia be odi na akoba obi ku woni kurom ena ya block ba bia fango efri ba no ene na ama ne ya ho tira be du sei o enso nyankopon ama ye fango ni bi Omampanye John Dramani Mahama ba bi obi ameche ne n'enwumre wa make commitment say omo pese to no omo biem na omo ma omo sika omo betimi ama ye ankasa ye aye timamufo NDC for MPP for nyina ye ba together ne country president ye sire no saade we nko ade ebe ye ahwema ye prof mede manu si wo sa kwaso entete enenam huhu in some corridors
say
anhwe ya bibi besi wo sa afi ye mu ama lockdown for aba na
ima se me na kai bibi si wa fi mu
hu bi koso
hu benya den na wate
am ma titi bibi was some corridor
den na wate am me
ye friend rumors
rumors no eye den a
ya nhwe
ya den na ebesi
lockdown for
lockdown na free hin
e be free esoro ho na ba na say lockdown bi ani afi asa
you are talking about COVID resurfacing
not COVID whatever it is no me ka ba bi susi say o man ya ye timu yi we are only happy when the West is happy.
You are causing panic and fear.
No. Say James, me confirm.
Ni ye denga.
Lockdown, baby. I'm not no person.
Say there be, Prof. Me who push me say ni tire say ya nhwe ya ebia.
There be what say way before obekasa asem way radio kese this is SOMPA FM so no na what enkomo bia
enkomo na ehuhu no
ema ba to tie for the okana ye mfa
na pure water for so say for Middle East nti we so tena Easter mesrem ye kwa wufo so na ye mompa ye ntire Kristo se won ka Trump akoma na ntokwa na ntwa anhwe ya in the next month say still na ntokwa na ekoso prof we be having a different conversation and na de eboa oman Ghana nyina ne say gold da so gina ba bi gina e wo oman friend say amona ne adwaman so we ase adwaman so say ye see next month na ntokwa yi said ye koya na ebeko 2 months aka ho a e ka gold a ye betina ha ye bedi nkomo foforo
Benjamin Asare usi ntokwa na ose ekoso sa hey na Ben
Prof
usi ntokwa na ose ekoso sa
en say US for no person omotia Iran for
Debi usi e was ntokwa no koso sa
na ntokwa na koso a effect be na de be mo man
but is that the wish of the new patriotic
party? No me say ntokwa na e koso no effect be na de ma yen e de mo man Ghana because you are John Dramani Mahama ma yet ase say Russia Ukraine war no ye nto bob bia ma na meto Ghana me ne wo ka say US any Iran omunye mistake ento bomb bia e ma na meto Ghana ha into omuntokwa na omukono Ghana ye nya sunsunso bia.
But you don't think it's a statement no I'm making a reckless statement?
How?
Saying ntokwa na ekoso no enkoso
tokwa be na me say enkoso
eje America
but o men ka say ntokwa nko me say ntokwa na ekoso no eni sunsunso bia
eni kwa say etwa u ka say eni kwa
ntokwa na ekoso no eni sunsunso bia wo Ghana
safo asam na o kan na yima me na me mbonkyere no
asembe
ba we dey emphasis
Prof
yes asem
ni nyina akosi say won say bi o kan say asam o ka menfo aso me de ntokwa na de mesrem o kina Yesu awufo som no mum ye fa isem ne mo
pa pure water de no why
pure water de Prof ni nyina be si Middle East ntokwa
yeah but are they justified?
Prof obe kan say ya tofu wo mu ebe kan production say dum so okoso yi so person ye production ade okoto fa anwo no de power ne generator untimi ntire na ebo a won fa nye electricity yes say ya to mu 20% so we calculate here what to in a month
say ya to so by 4 points
Prof here yes say ya to so bia we calculate say de what to boso me a say de na what to no e bia 2 years ago no a double and say a triple obi a no to 500 cedis and now want to 800 obi to 900 a month. This is for a friend is saying domestic consumption. Think about industries any fidia omu use da bia use so ACC so Prof unya ya nka obedum aircon ye bo hayo but infidia ye use wo edema setting e wo say ACC so 247
no correct
enti ye ntimi nkyere wo mo ahe a omo fanje na mum se de osi kyerɛ ye no ebe kwa koduru shop mo e na 10 cedis enti omo beton de ama ye no ne be sere wo mo say ma omo koye ne mfaso bum at this point the only thing I betinya ni say ye be patcho say said the niema ekọ no kame ese niema mu ye den kak anopa na me se me koto akakaduro prof
akakaduro boarding
akakaduro aye say sebe in 30 acre tourist prof 20 cedis
so Mr.
ti esremo mudi nsuo no so be ka ho ahia na oman no mu IT prof
mami nase but in the next 2 minutes me fa calls no na Benjamin Asari enro ameni lawyer Timo Boy edi nkomo how a tax expert na enro nkomo na yedi ne se anka be say anka 1 cedi levy na omo de 2 fango bo no so anka be ya anka omunyi se de be ya adramafo nsemo mo ka se ompeso peja ahyentu abo no mu no na omunja but he tells me say ebe say yedi adramafo no ebe tu ahyentu abo so rather than say ye be yi sa 1 cedi na free so but just 1 minute
yeah or kasa because say ye 1 cedi na free so one have fuel shortage ebeba
fuel shortage is saying
no say fuel asem no work
there be say fuel no ebo na beba form fuel bo beba form
no and I make a tell say aban no so amiate ase say fuel no price no cost ro because on per se shortage ebeba system no enti say no sika ye de kokokoto enyina mokane ana na ase ye de to no akwadrepo sana ze say government no person wo kire ye enti say when you wan see the ni free zo a sa service stable light na o kan wan sem no ene no kra dey say e be ye west
but ususu say when I say driver for two ahyentu abomu
driver for omo no nsu asem na akwaye sachet water for ye bi
yeah
because omo fuel na omo no didi omo dwuma no yatum enti say no ono ni says obeye no abafem enti se wo ka say me mpeso omo betum omo ntum na che say in all no na ke ni kwa say government no otofu anum because the moment I obetum no adriver for omo be kire omo so betum
no abane pese ote some of the taxes no so
ontimente oh there be abandonment onya akora akodi bi be ka ho
me da say
abanya ya ka taxes no kura no obesa de bi aka ho ntinya de a yewura John Dramani Mahama obetimi ate tax na obeyi bi afro because all back kura no ka kire say oye tax free government
me da say
odi new taxes bi eba ba me ne wo ka say yewura John Dramani Mahama wa ba the new taxes aye baako ensia na aba be
me da say ima mamentio a quick 1 minute on this na me fa calls
say your friend is a Ministry of Finance at forcing.
Yeah.
Ankasa Oko Omo page April 23rd, 2025.
Yeah.
They answered this question. I'll quote them verbatim.
But you quote your uncle.
The crisis cannot be resolved through tariff adjustment alone. We said the yes can say enye panu na nipa be di enya nkwa no. Problem na ye wo energy sector ho no. Enye to ho asem. Eno ho asem na me di kan no.
The losses.
Say addresses are 2.2 billion losses now because yo sika ye hwie gu no sika ye ya na 2.2 billion ne ye say the to ba ye be de 500 million de ne so
mami na say mami tell say me bato me
say production na ye kan ho asem no sa losses no affect abrofo no omo no omo ye ayi ni wi a ono wa ye wi no waton ama e kwa ye be fa so a e be fi wono e be ba be duru ano ono na enye na sem
mami na say mami can say endpoint homeopathic clinic so ya sene the end to chronic diseases yare kwankro achew wo de achima sa me pacho unya ayaresa bia eye one stop shop eye endpoint homeopathic clinic nkan obi a wenya stroke wa campem asa nipa no umunti de bia no gisa mukukuru ne no kwa yare sapa ne ko jayare hwe ba endpoint said there be jai nipa na anyanyudue stroke no wa campem a o save abusuane how enti friend number we say here 0244 867068 0244 867068 02742 to fresh number ya o me baba hwe eye wabusuane ne na bo mo sa kai obi o say yare a eye obi a wo pa awo a wonya bema wo jinso yiya bema bi wo ho a woni obadi nhemu a ehwa na yo obi oso a onam ho a ase ne ho oso ade mo na ne nsa wo so o tron so hwa na ne nsa wo so me pacho wahra na obrebo mo issues endpoint say wo mu anu eduro number no na medical dia to dwa no nka ha wo hwa mo chi akwanya wo mu ewo specters shell signboards sphincters shell signboards ewo nkran ha se wo kuma se a wo mu okronom abohia bomodin na hwehwe wo mu se open massaging open physiotherapy session bomodin endpoint homeopathic clinic ebeji wakagirem but your number obetimi afresh sia no erika akacho say ye telephone lines no near man said that enkoye ewo ho enti besre say obefre number we 055 65 27771 055 65 27771 Fred Nindi nkomo na nji wadwen chiresi ya. Hello, good evening.
Prof.
Yeah, me ba so wana me ne kasai. Collins Amamoli. Yetiu.
Ya ko shira papa na me chia Kenneth Fua. Fantastic man. Naimo for penny. Any omo penny a omo ni omo ye.
Me ba so ko WhatsApp so na en share ni mbre. Why?
Mestre ni Benjamin. Sorry. Wakasa bebi Naimo. That's I know Ekoyen Tramanwa because say President Mahama NDC and she Prof. When we are host of this show, we are neutral. One kasa kwabet me the take to work say ABC we here. Aba we buy it. And to be some Benjamin. Minimum or you're very, very good. That's by some NDC we MPP. The penation by in some okaye, no one me one papa. Hey, who be said we are not there to her? Who be said we are not there to her? Who be said, but the DVA no, in a moka say, Ayesika. Say Yesika, dear, say your former finance minister. Branebe book of my Yesika, the book what Tamaya, what was no be my son, I would say, and a braka, me man, me bed.
Maybe I try to see from why.
This is for me. Maybe a Benjamin. Your former finance minister no what buy him. Yes, can you na there one for. Yes, now we now need it.
Me da say Benjamin. So hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, me ba yeah, me ba cho wana me no kasai.
Eben kwa benya. Eben ne adwuma pa. O ye bo man Ghana.
Amen.
Ntia honorable Zebra.
Onu nkwa ne yenko enim.
Na mo twani a omo bo ate galamsi asebeti. Tam kupon kom. Isi abochie na wa anya de.
Wo de bia wo ba so yi so a.
Man criticize you now to see nti America tie me na tie ni Americans. Tie ni America. Who Bob Benjamin Asari about to know the best communicator now in MPP. No e say as general NTD or Mampini because emphasis for cancer. No objection sem for kan. O bi so no na don cancer for that. Yet your mind na do show him for him eka kire mu say mu na mu nto aba ma me
na say sasa no say be kan
the one kan o ka je info so mu sorry e kasa fun o ma mpani a ya to aba ma o ti mi show ohini enim eka kire ni say o mo nto aba ma ntina mpo so mo mpuntu eka kire we an o ti say ye block no onu nkonkoye enye kasa fun na describe sa be jama sorry ni say de
me ba to ha otie ba me na wase hello, good evening.
Good evening, Mr. ABOTCHIE.
Yeah, me pacho wana me no kasai. Ajana one, what am I pacho my inti why?
Ya baba ko Kenya, odi so bad ka de ki bebe a telewa obi a.
Yanko yini.
Oh, ya ba ko odi se bi de kasha bi ya ya de se da